very nice to hear from you. So we work together, nice music to enjoy. For everyone here to enjoy your great time. It's a whole very great time. Very big time. Thank you.
On this special occasion, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude and respect to all of you who have dedicated your time, effort, and care to teach and guide us throughout our journey. Although you came from different countries, we can truly feel your commitment and dedication, not only in teaching us academic knowledge, but also in taking care of us and sharing your valuable experiences. You've broadened our horizons and helped us appreciate a diversity of cultures alongside our studies. Today, we would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank each and every one of you from the bottom of our hearts. We wish you happiness, good health, and success in everything you aspire to achieve. Thank you so much.
Thank you.